Presenting a pre-owned 2022 Lexus GX. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 4.6-liter V8 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Lexus is a great value with less than 35,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include premium package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.